IELTS speaking, understanding and using assess. Imagine you're in an IELTS speaking test, and the examiner asks you to assess your own English skills. Would you know exactly what they mean by assess? Today, we're going to explore this important word that you might encounter in your IELTS exam. Word type. Assess is a verb. Meaning, to assess means to evaluate or estimate the nature, ability, or quality of something or someone. It involves making a judgment based on careful thought and observation. Word history. The word assess comes from the Latin word assiter, which means to sit beside. This origin gives us a hint about the nature of assessment. It suggests the idea of sitting next to someone to evaluate their work or performance. Antonyms. Some opposites of assess include ignore, neglect, or disregard. These words imply a lack of evaluation or consideration. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to assess include evaluate, appraise, judge, and estimate. These words all involve making a considered opinion about something. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use assess in different contexts. The teacher will assess the student's progress at the end of each term. The insurance company sent an expert to assess the damage caused by the storm. It's important to assess the risks before making any major financial decisions. Managers regularly assess their employees' performance to determine promotions and pay raises. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing assess with access. While they sound similar, access means to gain entry to something. Another error is using assess when you mean estimate. While assess involves careful evaluation, estimate is more about making an approximate calculation. To wrap up, understanding and using the word assess correctly can boost your IELTS score. It shows your ability to discuss evaluation and judgment, which are important concepts in academic and professional settings. Remember, assess means to evaluate or judge something carefully. Whether you're talking about education, business, or personal development, being able to use assess accurately will help you express your ideas more clearly and precisely in your IELTS exam.